How to use Create Chart from Selection button. Reasons why Create Chart from Selection button is inactive. Data is not selected in the worksheet. Data is selected, but it is not in the supported format. Data is not selected, the Create Chart from Selection button will remain inactive. Data selection does not meet the chart data format requirement, the Create Chart from Selection button will remain inactive. To learn about supported data formats, please view the How to Construct Sankey Chart Data video. Select the data. Data is selected in the supported format, the Create Chart from Selection button is now active. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Sankey chart is created successfully. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.